Hello again, and Merry Christmas. Today we'll be decorating a modern tree using red, green, and gold. This is the first time I've tried using multiple colors instead of my usual one color with an accent approach. I wasn't sure how it would come together, but I'm happy with the result, so grab your hot chocolate, hit that like and subscribe button, and get ready to decorate with me. Let's start with the trickiest part, the ribbons. If this is your first time making them, don't worry. Pause and rewind the video as often as you need. I'm using a burgundy ribbon with stars as the base for this 3-color bow. Begin by measuring out a tail. Pinch the ribbon, then form your first loop by bending the ribbon backward from the top. After that, give the ribbon a half turn so the pattern faces you again. With it facing forward, create the next loop by folding the ribbon underneath from the bottom and bringing it back to the center, keeping everything held in place with your thumb. Then give the ribbon another small turn so the loops and tails start forming an X or a plus shape. Some people can layer all 3 ribbons at once, but to keep things simple, we'll secure each one as we go. Take a piece of floral wire and wrap it around the center of the bow you just made. Give it one firm twist to hold everything in place. Once it's secure, trim the ends into dovetails. Now we'll repeat the same steps with the second color. My second ribbon is a green velvet with gold sparkles, and I picked it up at Michael's along with the burgundy star ribbon. Start by making a tail, then pinch it. Create your first loop by bending the ribbon backward from the top. Give the ribbon a small half twist so the front faces you again. From there, bend the ribbon backward from the bottom, bring it to the center, and pinch it firmly with your thumb. Give it another half twist so your loops and tails form an X shape. While holding the center tightly, place this second bow right on top of the first one so both ribbons line up in an X. Bring your floral wire up from the bottom and give it one strong twist to secure everything in place. Last, we're using this translucent gold snowflake ribbon I found at Walmart. We're following the same steps as before. Start by forming your tail and giving it a pinch. Make your first loop by bending the ribbon backward from the top. Give it a half turn so the front of the ribbon faces you again. Then bend the ribbon backward from the bottom to form the second loop. Make one more half turn so the front is facing up, and then trim the ribbon. Last, place the third ribbon at a slight angle on top of the other two, pinch the center tightly, and wrap the whole ribbon cluster with your floral wire. Leave a bit of wire at the back so you can attach it to your garland. After that, fluff your loops and tails and make sure the ends are trimmed into neat dovetails. See? Simple as pie and just as festive. Then place the ribbon cluster into your tree and start shaping it. Fluff the loops, trim where needed, and bend the tails until everything feels just right. Make several clusters and arrange them either in a pattern or a more asymmetrical layout if you want a natural, effortless look. Next, I evenly spread out these antique Kmart glass ivory bulbs and some burgundy ones, along with a few red ornaments I've collected over the years. After that, I added in some green ornaments and a few figurative pieces, like this glass Christmas tree ornament from John Darien. The tree was feeling a little sparse, so I made a few simple bows using the leftover translucent snowflake ribbon and tucked them in between the other ribbon clusters. It added just the right amount of extra detail. I decided to tuck in some floral picks, including realistic holly, and added ivory and gold berries to give the tree a festive, Christmassy touch. After adding some ivory flowers and a few gold feather picks, I placed my gold star on top and fluffed everything into place. Let's take a closer look at the tree, then see it finished with the tree skirt. And finally, see how it glows with the lights turned off. For the full design, be sure to watch the next video in my Red and Green Elegance series, where I take you on a complete home tour. I'd love to hear what you think, so leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps me out. And as always, have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.